Hello, just wanted to give you all a quick little update of my goings on. A lot of those videos that you've been seeing were from last year's hike. And I am getting ready for this is terrible. Okay, update. Oh, it's still bad. Fuck! Yeah, so like I was saying, I leave in about 16 days to finish the trail. Doing New York to Maine. So I've just been kind of relaxing, getting these muscles ready to go on their venture. I probably took some mushrooms. Probably shouldn't have. It's all good. Follow me.